Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at the Mice Device Mousetrap. The packaging says it's an effective, humane, multi-catch and release trap. It says it's easy to use, clean, and reuse. Designed to catch multiple mice. Made from a heavy-duty translucent material so you can check it from a distance. And it has a narrow design that fits under kitchen cabinets, by a refrigerator, or in a shop area. It also says that it's made in the USA. That's important because I've already featured a trap called the Mice Device. This one comes from Australia. It's a good design that works well. But today, for this video, we're going to check out the American version of the Mice Device. Let's take it out of the package and see how it works. Here's what the Mice Device looks like out of the package in its long, slender design. On either side there's an entryway hole where the mice can enter, so you can catch mice from multiple directions. Through the plastic, you can see those teeter-totter trigger systems to catch them. There's a latch here that folds up the lid. That way you can let the mice go or put bait in the middle. Now the mice will enter, step on this pad, go down, and the door will close. Then when they step off, it resets. This holding chamber isn't very big. I'm curious how many mice we can catch in it. First, let's go test this out with our pet mice, see if they'll go in there and get caught. Then we'll set it up in the barn with motion cameras, see if we can get some wild deer mice. This trap says it will catch multiple mice, so let's put in a couple of our pets and see if they go in there. Four of our pet mice went in there, but it looks like it's really crowded and there's not room for the black mouse. So I'm going to open this up. It's getting pretty foggy in there. Having four mice in there is pretty confined and they probably get really stressed. I don't want my pets to get stressed, so I'll take them out. Then we'll go set it up in the barn with motion cameras, see if we can catch some wild mice with the Mice Device. Last night I was able to catch a mouse with the Mice Device Mousetrap. We only caught one. Other mice came in, but they were a little hesitant to enter with this mouse inside. Since this is a live catch trap, let's open it up and let him go. It's a little dirty in there. It has a full night worth of pee and poop. I'm going to wash this out, but overall this trap worked really well.